Hey everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have 10 plus years of experience in HR and I help professionals and students to improve on the communication skills, the soft skills, the English speaking skills, professional English, and overall personality development. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently with my experience. Well, today again, I'm going to take up another topic which will help you in your English speaking practice. This topic is very interesting, very simple, very easy, and we all know very well about it. I'm going to talk about social media, how we can use social media so that it doesn't affect us in a negative way or in a bad way. Okay, or it should not have a bad impact on us. So I'm going to tell you how you can use social media to your advantage or how you can learn from social media. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. So stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video. Let's get started. So social media. We all use social media, right? This is not new for us. Social media is not at all new for us. We all use social media and we all know everything about social media, right? There are lots of platforms on social media which we like to watch or we use, right? There are a lot of social networking platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, etc., which is a social media platform, which is social networking platforms, right? So what are social networking platforms? Social networking platforms are those platforms in which you can connect with people, you can share your own ideas and thoughts, or you can know other people's ideas and thoughts, and you can engage in a conversation. So that is a social network, right? So you are engaging with people, you are making friends with people, you are expressing yourself, you are understanding others through social media on the platform, right? So this is why it is called social networking platform. LinkedIn is another social networking platform, and there are lots more, right? The other category is WhatsApp or Messenger, through which we chat with people or we can talk to people via video call or audio call. Okay, so that is another platform which is a chatting or messaging platform, right? So WhatsApp, Messenger, and the lots more, IMO, Botim, etc. There are lots more messaging apps or platforms also which you can use to communicate with people via chat or voice call or audio call or video call. So this is another category of social media platform. Apart from this, there are other platforms which is like Google or YouTube, where you can get a lot of information from these sources, right? So this is other informative sources or platforms which you can get knowledge from. So Google, YouTube, etc. There are lots more. Okay, just to name a few, I've just named Google and YouTube. So these are another category of platforms which provide information to you, where you can't network, but you can find information relevant to you or what you are looking for. You can get those information by a video or a text. So you can get information through these channels. So there are different kind of social media platforms. I've spoken about basic three categories which are there, which we very frequently use or we normally use it every day. Okay, now coming back to social networking platforms like LinkedIn or X, which is Twitter, or Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp also, for example. So what are the advantages of using these platforms? These platforms are really good social networking channels, right? So you can get in touch with anybody and everybody. On LinkedIn, you can get in touch with a CEO of any company, or director of some companies, or vice president from any field like engineering or marketing or HR or any other field. So you can get in touch with people directly through LinkedIn or Twitter. on these social media platforms. So it will help you in networking and knowing what is happening in your field, right? What are the job openings? What are the current news? What are the current trends? What are the current technology which is trending? So if you will be on social media like LinkedIn is a professional networking site majorly. So if you want to know more about jobs or what is trending in the industry, what jobs are there, how is the job market, or what technology is currently in trend, or you should learn, what skills you should add on. So if you want to know all these things, you can gain knowledge through LinkedIn. It is the best platform, guys. For students and professionals, I would suggest, if you are not on LinkedIn, create a profile on LinkedIn, start adding people from your field and start joining groups, also become a member of the groups, so that you can get to know what is actually happening in the industry. So that is very important. Keeping a tap on the industry is very important right now. Okay, so it really helps. So if you're using LinkedIn in this way, it is going to help you in your career as well, and it will help you in upskilling and reskilling yourself. Coming to Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, here also you can add people and you can grow your network here. You can share your thoughts, you can share your status, you can share your thoughts of what is happening around the world or in your country, or what you're feeling right now. So you can share your thoughts. It can be personal, professional, it can be on any other general topic as well. So utilize these platforms. For example, if you're learning to speak English, utilize these platforms to join groups and communities which can help you to engage in a positive way in learning English, or learning to speak English, or learning to engage with people to speak in English, right? So there are lots of communities and groups which you can join, which will help you in your speaking practice, right? You can chat with them in English, you can do an audio call, you can do a video call, you can start making your own group on Facebook, your friends group or your relatives group, or whoever is interested in learning English or learning to speak English. You can make your own group on Facebook or on WhatsApp, and you can start doing the same, right? It's very easy, guys. So start looking at the positives of social media, how you can utilize social media to grow in your field or to do what you want to do, right? Likewise, any field you can take up, there are lots of learning materials on Instagram, there are lots of learning material there are lots of groups and communities on Instagram and Facebook and X also, which you can join and you can learn a lot from them, right? You can start expressing your thoughts, you can start asking questions, you can start asking people about what you want to know more, and you will get a lot of suggestions and you will be able to get a direction of what to do next. So this is how these social media platforms can help you shaping up your future, your career or your personality. So start utilizing these social media sites to your advantage. Start learning things from them. Share your thoughts, share your ideas. Ask people to share their thoughts. See what people are sharing on social media platforms, right? On any topic, whichever topic you are interested in, you can start doing this and you'll get to learn a lot. You can start writing your own blogs. That is also very interesting. You can write blogs on LinkedIn. You can write blogs on social media sites. Start with a small blog. Pick up a topic and start writing something about it. If you're interested in writing, if you're not interested in writing anything, whatever you feel like, if it is related to technology or your personal life or your professional life or anything else, we put a lot of statuses on Facebook, right? We used to do that. So why don't we utilize these platforms and start sharing our thoughts and ideas on different platforms as well? It will help us in improving our writing skills. It will help us in improving our speaking skills. It will help us in improving our knowledge of the subject or knowledge of English as well, right? So if you start writing things in English, if you start putting up things in English on social networking sites, it will help us to start thinking in English. It will activate our brain and it will help us to start thinking in English. Start with something simple, small, and start adding more sentences to it, right? So we can always do that. Whatever is trending, everybody is speaking on something on social media, take that topic and take out 5-10 minutes to prepare 3-4 sentences on it or your thoughts on it. Prepare it and put it on the social media. This is really going to help you in increasing your knowledge and improving on your speaking skills and writing skills as well. It will help you to communicate well with people, right? So start taking these small initiatives. We have plenty of opportunities, guys. It's just that we undermine everything. We just take everything for our entertainment. Yeah, we think social media is for our entertainment. We browse social media for hours and hours, but we don't utilize it to learn something new. So why don't we start taking it the other way around? We should start utilizing social media not for the entertainment, not only for entertainment purpose, but also to learn something new every day. Right? Take out 10 minutes every day and see what you can learn from that social media platform. Yeah, if you start thinking like this, it is really going to help you a lot. Every day, 10 minutes, if you're putting in to learn something new, in a month probably you'll see what difference it has made. You will get to know that. Start doing this from today and then see the results after a month. I'm sure you'll learn a lot and your knowledge will grow. Another platform which I've spoken about is YouTube or Google. Google is a big platform. We all have used Google, right? But nowadays YouTube is more convenient for us because there are lots of video sessions and all, everything is there. So we search for anything and we get everything, right? That is what YouTube is about. So whatever you want to learn or whatever your interest is, just start searching on YouTube about that topic or about that category or about that thing, and you'll get n number of videos or n number of things, suggestions which you can start watching so as to know more about that thing, right? So that is why if you're giving time on YouTube every day, try to take out 10 minutes every day and start searching something on YouTube which will add to your knowledge, whether it is about your interest or hobbies or your profession or your personal growth, anything. You can search for your hobbies as well. You can search for meditation, you can search for cooking videos, you can search for vlogging, you can search for travel vlogs, you can search for entertainment, podcast, anything and everything you can search for. So whatever your area of interest is, whatever you want to learn, you can just put it on YouTube and you will get a lot of suggestions and you can start viewing it. Okay, so 10 minutes every day, make sure that you use YouTube or Google to learn something new, which will help in your personal growth, professional growth, and overall personality development, or to add some skills. Right, so if you start looking at social media platforms in this way, guys, it is really going to help you in a long way. You will definitely be successful in life because one thing I always say, knowledge never go waste. In whichever field you are collecting knowledge, it is ultimately going to help you. Trust me on this. So if you're learning something every day for 10 minutes on YouTube or on any other, on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn or Instagram or any other platform, any other social media platforms, if you're putting in 10 minutes every day to learn something new from that platform, it is really going to change your life, guys. Trust me on this. Start practicing it and start doing it from today, and after a month you'll see the difference. It does make a difference. Learning never go waste. Knowledge will never go waste. Start collecting knowledge as much as you can, and it is going to change your views, change your personality, change your thoughts, and change your life ultimately. So guys, I'm sure you will start using social media to learn something new every day. Take out 10 minutes, only 10 minutes every day, and start learning something new, and you'll thank me for that. So, guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye bye, and take care.